Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system. Does this gas giant have any noise? Yes, this biggest gas giant has sound. Please subscribe the channel to watch more informative videos like this. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined. Jupiter was formed approximately 4,603 million years ago. Jupiter is believed to be the oldest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is orbiting around the Sun at an average speed around 12.6 km per second, and it takes 12 years to complete an orbit around the Sun. Jupiter takes 9 hours and 55 minutes for one rotation in its own axis. It is the fastest among the planets. Does this gas giant have any noise? Yes, this biggest gas giant has sound. NASA's Juno spacecraft recorded the sound from Jupiter. Jupiter's magnetosphere is the largest structure in the solar system. It is 15 times wider than Sun and 20,000 times stronger than Earth's magnetosphere. This magnetosphere produces strong noise. Juno also collected plasma wave signals from this gas giant.